I make use of these two images to create a double exposure effect in Photoshop. Create a workspace with this canvas size. Here is the main image, and the first thing I will do is to remove the background. Right click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then move it to the main workspace. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust. Drop the second image on top of the first image and adjust. To get a better view of the placement, you can decrease the opacity of the second image. Then go to the blending option and choose screen. Create a layer mask, choose the brush tool and make sure it is the soft round brush, and change the background color to black and then brush neatly. If we are to change the solid color of the image, we are going to get another look that is completely out of it. So here's what we are going to do. Press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a copy of all the layer. Drag it forward and remove the background. Then you can go ahead to change the solid color and make the changes you want. Here is the final design. I hope you like it.